afternoon, everyone. It's almost 5 p.m. I've been out running errands all day, and Maurice has been home. I picked up some ingredients. She wants to make kind of a beef stew in the crock pot tonight. So let's see what she's doing. What are you doing?
Hello, everybody. So tonight we're gonna make a beef stew. So I wanna show you my ingredients.
Yeah.
I have I have carrots right here.
Yeah.
Sweet potatoes, regular potatoes, 5 pieces. And this one is beef brisket boneless. Really good.
And onion.
Yeah, 1 head of onion and 1 bulb garlic. I got black pepper, thyme. This is what we got right now in the hotel. And we got iodized salt. We have beef stock, original. Good source of protein.
Yep, 5 grams of protein and low sodium, 400 grams of sodium.
And we need water later. Half of butter, and here's our slow cooker.
How long we had this slow cooker? A long time
A
since we
long
got
time
married,
ago.
right?
Oh yeah.
At least 12 years.
12 years.
All right, let's load it up and get going because it's going to take a while. We're going to cook it fast at first and slow later.
Yeah.
And I got something from storage.
Yeah, I got you that from storage too. And what else did I get you? Show us over here what I got you. Oh, yeah?
Here, watch me do this first.
Whoa!
Yeah, I really know how to have it.
You like your little tent?
Yeah.
Is this where you're going to have your tent for a while?
Yeah, and there's toys inside. You can see what's inside.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What if Misty comes and needs to use the bed? Are you going to move that so Misty can use the bed for the midwife? You know?
Yeah, and you can look what's inside.
Oh, what you got in here? Oh, boy. You got lots of dollies, and you have a lot more in storage, but we're not bringing them here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, only when we get on your foot.
That's right.
So we're gonna put this half of butter right there, and the onion and the garlic. There you go. And we're gonna cook this first, and we're gonna put the meat later. There you go. Now let's go add some seasoning.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add some thyme. I'm gonna crush it first.
Oh.
Sprinkle it. And the pepper.
I already know that's pepper.
Yeah.
You know what I'd like to add, but we don't have it?
Yeah.
Rosemary.
Rosemary.
That would be nice. We had some rosemary.
Yeah, I love it.
So we just
too.
use what you like rosemary too? You're a
Yeah, but I'll
sophisticated
show you
eater.
something else that's cool with the hula hoop.
Okay.
Look on the floor.
Well, go get it. Go get it. Okay, let's help Mommy get that crock pot outside.
Okay, now let's go bring this outside. Let's go.
Yeah, we can see it here.
Oh, whose apartment is this?
I don't know.
That's important.
There you go.
Okay. Alrighty.
You know, if you did not know, we have 2 rooms now.
Okay, do you want it on high or low, Maurice?
Hi, please.
All right, high for now? All right, let's leave it alone now for about an hour, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, we'll see what it looks like in an hour.
All right.
Yeah, we have 2 rooms now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're
that's
so sweet.
our room and this is
Bria likes it like this. More room, more playroom. It's more like, this is like a playland now. Is this a
Yeah.
playland?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, and I love those.
Well, let's go over to the playland side. This is more Daddy's side for right now,
Yeah, the
where I get some peace and
The
quiet.
carpet is my favorite.
So we have a good visit yesterday in my midwife, and we have a good time, and she do a checkup for me, and she met Brianna for the first time. Right, Brianna? In 5 years.
Yeah, it's my midwife.
Yeah, it's your midwife too.
Did you enjoy meeting her?
Yeah, she's
Again?
super nice. And there was a play area for kids.
Oh
Very
yeah. That was a good one, huh?
Yeah, and I had lots of friends. They had fun in the doctor more than the mall.
Yeah, you did, didn't you? You
Yeah,
like it
because-
better than the mall?
Yeah, the mall is boring.
Yeah. It's called the Nurturing Nest, is the midwife's office.
Yeah.
Let's go check it out.
Oh, I felt the world crash. lost my pulse and humanity. Like it's in
So we're gonna see the midwife today. We're here.
Yeah, my midwife.
Yes.
Yep, the nurturing nest.
mind. Supported you through. Was loyal but can't take this abuse. Not caring is the best change I have made. I'll be stronger than yesterday.
Hey, it's open. Good morning. Got a little play area for you while we're waiting, huh?
You get my stuff. I'm just looking.
Natural herbs and fragrances, essence.
I think it's all organic.
Of course. Yeah.
Not organic.
The natural way to approach birth. Till birth.
Hi, Eddie.
Hey, what you got? You find something to play with?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice toy.
I showed this on YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can even there's even space for toys.
Oh, look at that.
There's money in here.
There is.
Yeah, it's American money.
Oh boy.
Yeah, and I already have a lot of money.
You do? What do
Yeah,
you?
yeah, but it's Philippine money.
Oh, you have a lot of the Philippine peso money, don't you? Hey! Hi, Misty. How are you?
Misty.
What's your coffee cup?
Hi, Megan. How are you? Look how big you are. Let me see you.
Sure did. You are so beautiful. I love all your butterflies.
Brianna, do you remember
So
Misty?
nice.
Do you remember Misty?
Yeah.
You were kind of small.
I was there the day you were born.
Yeah.
Yeah, your mom did such an amazing job when you were born.
Yeah, and then she sang a song to make me come out.
Yeah.
And you came out just perfect.
Came out perfect.
Textbook.
Are you ready to meet your new baby?
And his name is Bryson.
Bryson. That's exciting. You know what you can do? You can help me. You want to help me?
Yeah. Yeah, look at my other friend. She's over here.
Oh, your other friend.
That's your friend, and what's your
Did you
friend's name?
bring your pretend friend today?
Yeah.
Bianca?
Yes.
Hello, Bianca. Is she nice?
Yeah.
Hello, Bianca. How are you today? Oh, she has the same dress on as you.
The same age as you too.
Oh, boy, Brianna, you're funny. We haven't heard about Bianca in a long time.
I know.
She was doing Bianca about 2 years ago.
Nice.
Yeah, did you remember that I buy Douglas muffins over here?
You have some muffins over there?
I don't know.
Dr. Martins. The toy? That's not over here.
Shall we go back to my office?
Nobody. Unless I have my banana, that's it.
Okay.
I love this color.
I can give it to you if you're not gonna.
Look at my
Well, I'll show you.
Baby. Hi, sweetie. Where are you feeling most of your kicks? Where do you feel your kicks?
He's not kicking right now, but earlier he's kicking.
Hello, baby. So baby's back is on the right. And feet right here.
Right here? That's why really kicked me my ribs this morning. 4 a.m.
And then back here.
is...
The baby's back.
Oh.
This is the baby's butt. And this, if you come right here,
Is the head?
that's the head.
Oh, I feel it.
Yeah.
Where's the head?
Right, here.
Oh,
The
And
back
back.
is over here.
And the butt. And then
Good
she's got
boy.
feet
The feet is right here.
right there.
getting in a good position, right? I don't know what I'm talking about.
37? How many weeks are you?
According to the LMP, 36 and 4.
Okay. Hi, baby. Sounds really good. Okay. So we'll read. Sorry, baby, a little bit loud. It's 140s. Sounds great.
That's good.
Measurement's good. Baby's in a good position. Head down. Sounds really good. Heart rate's normal. Baby reacts when he moves to stimulation, so perfect.
Alright, I'm gonna add the meat. There you go. That's gonna be good. And I'm gonna add some, this one, pepper. Okay. And water this much because I'm gonna add the broth later. Stir it together. The butter is melted already pretty good. Okay, let's go cover up and we're gonna cook it for like 2 hours and put all the vegetable in and cook it in slow and whole overnight. It's been 2 hours, so I'm gonna add all the vegetables. There you go. Carrots,
Oh, triple code.
sweet potatoes. I know we have more room.
I got a box for something.
And the regular potato. There you go. And the broth. All of this. Oh my god, it's gonna be good soup tomorrow. Beef stew. And some soap. Iodine soap.
My favorite soap.
Okay.
And I got a box because me and Dad is playing something. Yeah.
Okay, let's go cover this up and turn it down to low, and it's gonna be cooked overnight tonight. Looks like it's done, so I'm gonna ask John because he is the one tasting right now. So let's see. Looks really good. So how is it?
It is really good. It's been cooking all night in the crock pot.
I'm hungry.
Took a lot longer to cook because it was freezing temperatures last night. Like 25 or something degrees Fahrenheit. So it took a lot of time. So if you cook something like this on the cold like that, cover it with a couple of towels, keep the heat in. But no, it's good. Very tasty. Vegetables are just right.
Okay, Bria, I'm hungry. Let's go eat.
Let's
Yeah,
eat.
but I'll sew something first.
Look what Brianna found. Where'd you find that today, Bria?
At Goodwill.
That's an original old Slinky. That's the good ones with the metal ones.
Yeah.
Don't bend it so it keeps working. Have fun.
Okay, let's go eat, Bria.
Let's eat. See you guys next time.
Bye.